Good evening, everybody, and a warm welcome to everybody. And I say warm welcome because here in Polokwane it is really cold tonight. So, to all the old people, and it's not old as in gray, it's the people that are for a long time with us and that are every week on the call. Welcome, special welcome to you guys, because you know that if you miss one Tuesday evening, you are missing valuable news and updates. So thank you for being here. And I don't even want to mention the fun that we are having. And I think everybody can agree there is a lot of fun that is always shared here. The new people on the call, I don't know why you are here, but all I can tell you, like the song just says, today might just be the day that everything changes for you. And I know that you will have some questions, but just keep it for a little bit later because there's going to be a dedicated question and answer session. So, but I think you're in for a treat. Am I right? I think I am. Because tonight you will see the dream of one person, how that dream has changed so many people's lives. And it all happened because, in his own words, he's too harrogate to give up. And I want to introduce to you not only the dreamer, but the visionary. And he is a person with the biggest heart and a person who believes in you no matter what. So, ladies and gentlemen, come give us a heart for the one and the only Jesse Bester, our CEO and founder. Jesse, the screen is yours.
Thank you, Erika. Ladies and gentlemen, just to add on to what Erika said about the harrigheid, I'm also too dumb to know how to quit. Don't know how to. It's just, I can't figure that out. I've figured out one or two things before, but that's just about my pay grade to know how to quit. My mom gave me one of the biggest hidings once, well, many times, but one of the ones that stood out for me that I didn't have memory loss from. She gave me a hiding and she said, your perseverance is probably going to be your biggest strong suit and your biggest downfall because I could nag. I could nag and nag and nag, and then I'd weigh up my options. Okay, I'm going to estimate, I'm going to get so many hidings. Let's do it. The price is worth it. If I can pull this off, let's keep on nagging and nagging and nagging. Ladies and gentlemen, so tonight we want to share with you our vision of taking the company to a position where 1 million people earn from our company every single week. It might sound very crazy and say, whew, that's a bit. Hallo, lekker. Lekker, Tom. It is ambitious, yes, but quite frankly, I don't know about you, but if someone told me, listen, get involved with me, I want to build a company that's going to help 1,000 people earn weekly, I'd be like, boring. That's not going to be fun. Now, what we want to do with our company, ladies and gentlemen, is we've built an ecosystem. And this ecosystem that we've built is built on the foundation of wealth distribution. How does that work? So what we do is instead of us paying money to marketing companies, marketing agencies, pay them, let's say, 500,000 or R1 million for a marketing campaign, and then we hope that it works. And I can tell you this from experience. There's a lot of companies out there that promise you the sun, the moon, and the stars. Marketing companies. I had personal experience with them. Where they promise us you're going to get these results. These are your, I think they call it deliverables. All these fancy words. And I come back to one question. Okay, our goal is to get downloads. How many downloads are we going to get? No, we're going to get so many downloads. Like, okay, don't use those clever words because I don't understand 95% of it. Just tell me how many is this going to work? Your plan. What's your plan and is it going to work? No, it's going to work. This thing is going to work. With one that was the biggest disaster, we didn't even get 1% of what they said we will get. And I was like, you know what? That is it. Let's focus on what we actually want to do, and that is help people. So that is where the Profit Share program was born. And what we've done consequently, don't know. After that, my fancy words now ran out. My credits are now finished for the day. So subsequently, that's the fancy word. Okay, so what we've done after that is we've launched a business model where you can earn commission from referring others, helping to build the ecosystem. So it's all the benefits of being a partner, but you don't have to invest like 1 million or 10 million or 100 million rand to be able to get a piece of this pie. So what do we actually invest if we want to earn from this opportunity in the profit share program? We invest our time. So you might know 100 people, right? Fantastic. Let's say you get, of that 100 people, you get 20 of them on board. And those people start rippling out. But Belinda also knows, let's say she knows 60 people, and 15 of those people come on board. And Erika knows 300 people, and 200 of them come on board. And Marius knows 45,000, and 1,000 of them come on board. And those people also help build this. Does the million now really sound so ludicrous? So absurd? I don't think so. I think we are sitting here with a winning recipe. And everyone makes money in the process. Now, here is something that we were able to beautifully, and I mean beautifully, solve. Any company that's a connector app will tell you. So, okay, first let's define a connector app. A connector app is where you connect supply and demand with each other. So let's take Airbnb, for instance. They need listings, but they also need people to book those listings, right? Because now, let's say you've got the database of the customers, but you've got no listings, those customers will delete the app. But let's say you've got listings, but no one books. Those people are going to remove the app, their profiles, those listings, or they're just going to forget about it. And then it's going to be chaos. So which one's first? Is it the chicken or the egg? And we've solved that beautifully. We didn't even think it's going to be solved with the profit share program, but it got solved. So tonight we're going to share with you 3 streams of income that you can generate from the DigiNew ecosystem. And then we're going to explain to you how each one of the 3 works, how much you can earn. If you do X, how much you will get. If you do Y, how much you will earn. And then we will also show you what is in this for you. How does it actually work? Now, I think all the new people that's attending the call tonight probably thought, oh, another Zoom call. I had 7 today. I am hot full of Zoom calls. This is not your average Zoom call. Zoom is basically just a platform that we use in order to assemble so many people from across the country. Can I see by means of a heart reaction, who is here tonight for the very first time? Who's never been on a DigiNew live Zoom event? Can I see a heart reaction if this is your first time? Okay, nice. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to all the new people. And to the existing team members, we also have a very exciting update for you guys tonight. So, ladies and gents, let's jump right into this. Tonight, we're going to show you how you can build a pipeline. You might think, wait, what? I don't know anything about construction. It's not a physical pipeline. It's a metaphorical pipeline. So we're going to show you how you can build a pipeline and generate income that's ongoing. I never understood it when I used to work for someone else. I used to work on super yachts, and I exchanged my time and my experience and my licenses that I have to drive certain boats and scuba diving, all those things. I exchanged that for money. I think that's what the average person does. When they work for someone else, they sell off their time and they get their time, expertise, knowledge, all of that stuff, and they get money in exchange. But what if there's potentially a way that you can keep on generating money? Regardless of how much time you put in. If you put more time in, it can grow even more. But what if you can potentially build it to a point where you can keep on generating money? How do you think companies make money? They don't actively go out and do things every single day. They've got systems in place, and that's exactly what we've built as well. And you can benefit from that. Now, I want to put in a massive disclaimer and tell you, this pipeline that we're going to show you, that's able to generate you commission and ongoing residual income is not going to make you a ton of money in week 1, week 2, week 3. It's not. My advice would be celebrate your biggest, not when you hit the first million or 5 million or 100,000, but celebrate the biggest when you've made your first commission, even if it's 10 Rand. Why? Then you go and retrace and say, okay, they said if I do X, I'll get Y. I did X, I got Y. This thing works, right? And then we simply keep on duplicating. Now, that's the one thing. And then the next thing is, we are busy building a super app where we're putting all 6 of our apps into one single super app. And during this call, we're going to tell you exactly when and where we're all going to meet. And you are most welcome to sit in during the discussions of the planning of that app. So you'll be able to see before the public sees what the new app will look like, the features, the functionalities, all of those things. And if you have any ideas, you're more than welcome to then also give us your ideas and inputs into what you would like to see in the new super app. It's going to be really amazing. So we're going to tell you during this call exactly when and where we're going to meet and how it's going to work. It's also going to be online. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, now I would like to give you some exciting news. And that is that we are now going to quickly look at a video of what DigiNew Cashback is all about and how you can benefit from this. And during this call, we're going to show you 3 different methods of income. First is going to be cashback. The second one will be commission from referring customers, ongoing commission. And then the last one will be receiving commission from onboarding merchants. That's ongoing commission. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme for tonight that we're going to share with you is build a pipeline and why do you want to be on the Movers WhatsApp group? Ladies and gents, after the video that we're going to play now to tell you what DigiNew Cashback is all about, there is going to be an incredible lady that's going to be sharing with us what is the benefits of DigiNew Cashback for you, how does it work, all of those things. And she is not only probably the biggest the hardest worker that I've personally seen in my life, but she can solve a challenge in 2 ticks. It's unbelievable. The amount of time she's like, I don't know, but I'll find out. And then she finds out and she builds the solution. So directly after the video, Belinda Ford, who is head of DigiNew Cashback, will tell you what exactly is the benefits of DigiNew Cashback for you. Enjoy the video.
Hey, good evening, everybody. I'd like to ask you one, well, maybe 2 questions. Okay, what is your biggest spending every single month? What do you spend the majority of your salary or your money on? I think most of us can say it's probably groceries, right? But when we go grocery shopping, we're always trying to find the best deals and we're trying to, see which shop we should get this at, which shop we should get that at. So with Digino Cashback, we've been able to give you guys actual cash back for your groceries. The next thing that you spend most on is your fuel. If you don't have a car, you obviously use transport. So we also give you cash back on Bolt rides, and then also on your dining out. So every once in a while you want to go out to a restaurant, you can get cash back on it. And this is physical cash that you can withdraw and use on anything else that you want to. It's not points that you have to redeem in store, or that you have to use that cash to use within that store that you got the cash back on. This is cash back that you get from the stores you are already using. You don't need to change the stores you're going to. So if you like Pick n Pay, go to Pick n Pay. If you like Checkers, go to Checkers. If you like BP over Engine, do that. You can do that, and you can get cash back on your normal routine.
Yeah, because BP's petrol tastes nicer than Engines.
How did you know? We're not going to ask.
Speaking on behalf of a friend.
I'll ask your mom. Okay. So you can get actual cash back from your groceries, which is your biggest spenders, your expenditures, fuel, Bolt, and your dining out. And is it difficult? No, it's not. It's very, very simple. And is it expensive? No. We've got a $199. It's a $199 membership fee, okay, that you can get up to 7,000 Rand cash back every single month. And we do have a cheaper option, which you can get half the amount of cash back, but 99% of our users all go straight to the $199 because it just makes a lot more sense when you go in, because you get a percent back. So we all know what our expenditures are during the month. Our groceries are 10,000. You work out on your percent on the amount of money that you spend. The $199 is it's a no-brainer. So when Jesse mentioned the pipeline, okay, we're building a pipeline. Okay, cash back, getting cash back from your groceries, and that's not building your pipeline. That's an activity that you have to do to get money back. You're exchanging, going to the shop, doing something on the app, and then getting cash back. That's not your pipeline. So I'm going to first show you a video on what the whole concept of the pipeline is. And then after that, Jesse is going to explain to you how you can build your pipeline through Digino Cashback. So enjoy the video. I think you will. Let's not some video. Okay, just give me a second. Let me just get it open here and share.
I will start getting my popcorn ready for the movie.
Okay.
The story of two cousins, Pablo and Bruno. Once upon a time, in a small Italian village, lived two cousins, Pablo and Bruno. Both were young, ambitious, and dreamed of becoming the richest men in their village. They worked hard every day, always searching for the right opportunity. One day, that opportunity arrived. The villagers needed two people to bring water from a nearby river. The payment was simple: 1 penny for each bucket of water delivered. Pablo and Bruno happily accepted the job. Bruno got excited. He thought, finally, my dream is coming true. But Pablo wasn't as satisfied. After just a few days, his hands started aching. He began thinking, there must be a smarter way to do this. Then an idea hit him. He told Bruno, brother, instead of carrying buckets all day, why don't we build a pipeline from the river to the village? Once it's done, we'll never have to lift a bucket again. But Bruno laughed. He was getting paid daily and didn't want to waste time on a plan that wouldn't make him money right now. So he kept carrying more and more buckets, working harder each day. Meanwhile, Pablo decided to start building his dream pipeline. He worked half the day carrying buckets to earn enough to survive, and spent the other half digging and laying pipes. It was slow, painful work, and the income was small. He knew it could take 1 or 2 years to complete, but he had faith. Villagers started mocking him, calling him Pablo the Pipeline Man. Bruno, on the other hand, was now living like a king. He doubled his income, bought a new house, new clothes, and enjoyed his weekends. People called him Mr. Bruno. But while Bruno was celebrating, Pablo kept digging. He reminded himself every day, today's pain will build my tomorrow's gain. Months passed. Pablo's pipeline was halfway done, and because of that, he only had to walk half the distance to fetch water. This saved him time, and he worked even faster. Years later, the pipeline was finally complete. Now fresh water flowed directly to the village, 24 hours a day, and Pablo earned money even while he slept. Bruno, however, grew old and weak. His back hurt, and he could no longer carry buckets. Villagers stopped paying him because they were all using Pablo's pipeline. Bruno, once the rich man, had nothing left, and that's when everyone realized the difference. Bruno worked for money, while Pablo built a system that made money for him. Now think, are you a bucket carrier or a pipeline builder? Do you work every day just to earn enough to survive? Or are you building something that will keep earning for you even while you sleep? Most of us are taught to work harder, lift more buckets, trade more time, but nobody teaches us how to build pipelines. Our schools train us to become employees, not creators. Even people with high-paying jobs often remain trapped because as long as you exchange time for money, you're still carrying a bucket. Look at this example. Darryl Strawberry, a famous baseball player, earned over $100 million before he turned 40. But when his career ended, he was broke because he spent everything on luxury, cars, and parties. On the other hand, a school teacher named Margaret Donald, who earned just a few $100s a month, quietly invested a small part of her income into the stock market every month. When she died at 100 years old, her net worth was over $2 million. How? Because she built her financial pipeline slowly but consistently. So remember, wealth isn't what you spend, it's what you keep and grow. You can't always see who's truly rich, because real wealth is hidden. And in today's world, the best pipeline isn't made of metal, it's made of the internet. Through online businesses, content creation, or e-commerce, you can build a system that keeps earning 24/7, even while you sleep. The internet is the pipeline of the 21st century. You don't have to carry buckets anymore. Just build your digital pipeline once and let it flow forever.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think that is a real eye-opener in terms of when I read that book. So that video is based on the book called Parable of the Pipeline. I think it's Burke Hedges that wrote the book, if I'm not mistaken. And when I first read that book a couple of years ago, it just made sense to me. Actively working for someone and earning salary, I was stunned. I remember the first day when I heard that there's a principle called you apply for leave. I thought you tell your boss, now I'm taking leave. And then I heard, no, it doesn't work like that. You have to actually ask permission. I was like, wait, what? Your contract says that you get so many days per year in leave. You have to ask permission to be able to take it. I was like, no, stop that. I'm sorry, I'm not selling my life. And then I have to ask for permission to be able to go and use those. I was like, well, maybe I'm just a bit, then again, probably there's where the Aragat part comes in. But what made sense to me is building something up that keeps on generating money. So I got experience in another company where I built up a massive team where the team worked together and generated money, and then I earned part of that money. So I was like, whoa, this is really incredible. Now, based on that concept, what happens is we're going to now show you how you can build a pipeline. Now, they spoke about that one lady in the video where she kept on investing and investing and investing. But if you are like where I was before my life, I had no money for food. Investment, yes, that sounded like a word that I can never even spell. But the beauty of what we're about to show you now is you don't need to go and invest money. Like I said in the beginning of the call, we invest our time. We get more people on board and more people and more people. And that results in earning more income. Now, I'm going to share my screen quickly with you. And then I'm going to show you, before I do that, what we're going to do is, where does the money come from what I'm about to show you? The money that we already budgeted for marketing has been allocated towards the profit share program, which means the more business you bring in, the more commission you can earn. Okay, so let me share my screen here with you, and then I'm going to show you exactly how does the income opportunity work for you. Okay, Belinda, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is a calculator that we built to show you exactly how does this work. So I'm going to quickly show you. Let's say so each and every person gets their own unique referral link. When you open your profile, you'll see on your DigiNew Cashback app, you got your own referral link. On the right-hand side there, you'll see under the rate column, you'll see the amount of money that you earn per person in that generation per month whose membership processes successfully. Now, let's say you get 5 people on board. That means 5 times 30 equals 150 Rand per month. Okay, there you can see at the total as well, 150, your total monthly income is 150. Now, let's say those people go and let's first go to 7. The reason I prefer 7 is then 7 times 30 is 210, which means your membership fee for DigiNew Cashback is already paid. You already have a profit. Right? So now let's say the average person also, from those people, each also go get 7 people on board. Look at that. Now you get another 588 Rand a month because there's another 49 people on that generation. So everyone on that generation will also contribute towards the increase in your commission. Now let's say the next generation is a bit lazy. They get each on average 4 people, and generation 4 gets, let's say they're a bit more hardwerkend and they get 5, and let's say generation 5 each get 3 people on board. That means you earn 17,226 Rand per month. From that, there's a total of 4,172 people. Because you started a chain reaction and you are the direct and indirect result of the company earning 830,228 Rand per month in turnover, you get an ongoing commission of 17,000 Rand per month as long as those people's commissions or those memberships stay in place. Now, what you can do is you can go and get, I'm going to show you another quick example here. Let's clear these fields. Then I'm going to show you now, let's say you get 1,000 people on board personally over a period of time. You'll earn 30,000 Rand a month. But now you probably think, ooh, I know, Shabbat. 1,000 people. Oof, I don't know if I know 1,000 people. So let's make it simpler. Let's say you get 10 people on board, who each get 10 people on board, who each get 10 people on board. You earn 10,500 Rand a month. Yes, it's lower, but you didn't work as hard. You got people on board, you got people on board, you got people on board. Do you understand now the methodology on how we want to get to 1 million people? Now, let's say you increase that now to 100 people, who each get 10 people, each get 10 people. You earn 105,000. Just in those 3 generations. Let's say there's another 6 people that they each on average get, and those people on average 9 or 8. That's 1.9 million. The company earns 109.6 million Rand a month in turnover, of which you get 1.9 million in passive income. Again, that is pipeline income. That is not having to do active work the whole time to keep on generating money purely from selling your time for money. So I hope that makes sense. That you understand exactly how does the money get generated? So the money gets generated, and there's a fixed amount per member per month that's allocated to the profit share program. and you can get a piece of that pie. It's as simple as that. Now, that is the second stream of income. So Belinda explained to us first, how does the cashback work? How you can generate commission or cashback, how you can generate money from the cashback side. Then I explained to you now how you can refer friends and family and earn commission for that. Now, I've got a quick question for you. Let's say you sign me up and Belinda and Erika, and our memberships keep on processing every month. Do you have to keep on doing the work every month to get those commissions? Nope. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, next I'm going to ask Erika to share with us, how does it work that you can generate commission from bringing merchants on board? Remember I said in the beginning, we're a connected app. We connect supply and demand with each other, and you can make money from both. So you can choose which one of these avenues you want to pursue. Do you want to get only cashback? Do you want to get only marketing member commission, or only merchant commission, or all three, or any combination thereof? So Erika is now going to show you the third stream of income and how that works. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I hand over to Erika, she is working like crazy. Erika is not only the head of business development and support, or business operations and support, but she's also the person working behind the scenes, helping us to set this entire platform up. So my advice to you is, listen carefully. She's got a lot of nuggets to share with you. Thanks, Erika.
Thank you so much, Jesse. No, it's teamwork makes the dream work, eh? So we are a team and we're all working together. So yeah, so everybody, the merchants, as you've heard Jesse told us about, that is, I want we've got so much inquiries about, I want to see merchants on the app. And that's where the listed merchants are coming in, because when you want to open up your app, you want to see, where can I shop? What businesses are there? So these businesses are also gonna use, I think, part of their marketing budget, because they're gonna use the DigiNew app as a marketing tool for them to bring more customers in, because we are gonna be the customers as the members of DigiNew Cashback. And they're going to give back to the members. So they're going to use us as a marketing tool, and they're going to allocate part of their marketing budget to give back to the community. And that can be anything from 5% up to something like a 2-for-1 special or something like that. And it's going to be shown on our app from the closest to the furthest away from you. So you will have basically a directory on your app of merchants that are part of our whole network. So, to be part of the listed merchants, it's actually going to be very easy for these merchants, because it's not going to cost them anything extra apart from them, and we are going to be their advertising agent, so to call, on the app. And you as a marketer can benefit from that. But how do you get a accredited marketer? You just have to start doing the training. You have to start getting accredited, and that is so easy. That is such easy modules that you have to complete, and then you get your certificate once you get your first merchant on board. And the first thing that you need to do is go to Nova, which is nova.diginew.com. That's your Bible, your DigiNew Bible, because everything is on there. Everything. So you start doing your training. You write the test, and then you are ready to start getting those merchants on board. And it's actually going to be so easy, because you will start with the people that you've got a relationship with. Even start with your own little business and get them on board, because we are going to drive customers to those businesses through our app. And your friends and your family's businesses, start with the people that you know, because that's the easiest way to do. And as soon as they start generating income from it, you will start getting rewarded for that. So I quickly want to share with you guys the calculator that quickly shows you what is possible. So it's going to be very, very, very quick. I just want to quickly share my screen. It's going to be that one. Okay. Share. Okay, can you see that, JC?
Still loading.
Still loading on your side.
Yeah, okay, now I can see it.
Okay, so when you log into Nova, you will see, if you scroll down, you go to My Performance. And there you will see a whole lot of, okay, about the 10X, that's going to be later, but you will see that, you won't miss it. But the Premium Merchant Marketer opportunity is how do you become a marketer? You start your training there. And then let's say you've got 5 family members that all got businesses. And the Digino Cashback members spend an average of 350 Rand. Oh, not that much, 350 Rand there. And they are just handling 5 claims a day. Look what you will get passively. You're not even spending that money. It's other people spending that money, but because you have introduced them to us or to the Digino Cashback app, you're going to earn 612 Rand 50 per week or 2,600. And that's on top of what you earn from the membership fees that Jessie spoke to you about. And apart from what your cashback, from what you are already spending, that you are getting back in cash. So you see how easy it is. So let's quickly say, you're not going to stop with 5, you're going to 10. That increases that and the number of claims because more members are using them. Look how it changes. So that is going to change so much. And I'm not going to keep you that much longer with all of this. So I want to ask Belinda to play us a video of Nomondo. Nomondo is one of our members, and she is really going to make some waves in the months to come because she's always present, she's always participating, and she is very enthusiastic about Digino. So, and after the video, Marius is going to explain to us our unique part of Digino that's called Linked for Life. So thanks, Belinda, for the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is Nomonde. I just want to share my story with you as to how I became a Digino member and why is it important for me that I keep on growing my team. And I will also get to a point where what is it that I want to achieve with Digino. So for starters, me joining Digino was never planned, but I was just approached by a gentleman whose name I didn't know. He introduced himself. He started a small talk. Then after that, seeing that I am interested in doing business, he then shared the Digino opportunity with me. After listening to him, I think it took me about 2 to 3 weeks before I joined. But one reason why it took me so long was that I never got hold of him. He just spoke to me, he sent the link, and then he just went quiet. So this one day I said to myself, you know what, let me go into this link and see what is it that is going on. And then that's how I joined. So the inquisitive part of me that made me to want to see what it was all about was because I've actually been looking for a kind of business which wouldn't take too much of my time, because I was already into other network marketing businesses. So I went in, I signed up, and then I wanted to study what is it that the business was all about. So to my surprise, Digino actually became what I was looking for. And I stayed the course, attended different kinds of sessions to a point where I had even attended a face-to-face fruitful training. So up to now, I am still very excited. You can imagine that I was excited from the day I joined until today. One thing that excites me about Digino is that it is simple to understand, and secondly, it gives benefits that were never there before. One would say, but 1%, 5%, indeed 1% is huge if you are going to build your team, and your team would be claiming from the very same company. So I am actually up and down signing up customers, but up to so far, the best way that helps me to get as many sign-ups as possible is by sharing my link via my Green app, and then I link that status message into other apps as well. So I get them to find different kinds of people from different social networks, and then that's how people are signing up. And then I would leave my number where people would get back to me trying to understand what exactly is DigiNew all about. And up to so far, I'm very excited with my sign-ups. Of course, I want to improve from where I am and become a better marketer, and I can't wait for the merchant market that is around the corner. So everybody, just dive in and you will definitely get out something more. And most importantly for me, I want to share this opportunity with many people who I know are not working, and also the people I don't know, because this opportunity is also going to break news about people getting commissions each and every day. So that is me, and that is my excitement. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to take Marius' slot over. He's got a connection challenge at his side. So let me quickly share with you something exciting. A principle that we've built in to our business model. Because our top management team are all highly experienced in this field, we've all done this in various companies where we've done exactly the same as what our business model entails in terms of going out and getting more members on board and customers and stuff like that on board. We have seen that other companies sometimes allow people to move around. Now, let me quickly share with you a practical example. Let's say I enroll Belinda with my link, and she enrolls Erica, and Erica just goes haywire, and she gets 10,000 people on board through her next generations or through herself, doesn't matter. If Belinda, or let's say if Erica moves, let's say Belinda moves to someone else, her entire team is going to move with her, right? What's going to happen to my commission? Bloop, 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 bloop. It's going to drop, right? Because now that money doesn't get generated every month in my team. And I personally feel, I don't know about you, but I feel that's nonsense. No company is supposed to allow that. Because if I'm building a pipeline and someone else can come and say, okay, we're taking this pipeline away from you for whatever reason, I'm sorry, that's nonsense. That's not happening. Not in our company. Do that in your companies, no problem with that. That's not going to happen in DigiNew. So we've got a principle called linked for life. That means the first person that registers the new person. So let's say I join with your link. I'm linked to you for life. I cannot move. There's no way. Absolutely no way. And we've built through our artificial intelligence identification system that helps pick up fraudulent activity, system or platform abuse, whatever. We pick up if someone else opens a second profile. And then the company will immediately initiate, our compliance department will immediately contact that new enroller, the person that enrolled that person the second time, or try to move them out somehow. They will immediately contact them and say, listen, you're not allowed to do this. You're in breach of terms and conditions, which means that person can get in serious trouble. So how would you like it to know that whatever team you build up, whatever the size, it can be 5 people, it could be 50,000. Once we go international, it could be 5 million. The company will protect you. Why? Let me tell you from a company running perspective. If your income drops because of that, what are you going to do? Most probably go and be very mad at the company, number one. Number two, badmouth the company and say, listen, I earned 90,000 Rand a month. Now I earn 4,000 Rand a month because they took 3 of my biggest leaders away from me and moved them to someone else. That in DigiNew will not happen. We are so serious about it. We even included that concept in the terms and conditions under the single profile policy, which means someone is only allowed to have one profile. So they can't even go and open another profile under that new person. Our system will pick it up, and that person will be getting into a lot of trouble that enrolled the person a second time. We will make sure that your team is protected. Now, here's where there's an upside and a downside to this. When you go onto your DigiNew Cashback app and you click on My Team and then the My Contacts button at the top, you'll see all the people whose numbers you've got saved in your phone who already has DigiNew profiles. They will never be able to enroll under you. Then when you click on My Team, all the people that you join, that join with your link will be listed there. They can never join with anyone else's link. So my advice to you would be, sign up your friends and family as soon as possible, because then you know they are linked to you for life. If they join with someone else's link, they will unfortunately never be able to join with your link. But once they've joined with your link, they can never join with someone else's link. So my advice to you would be, focus on the linked for life and make it work for you instead of against you. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to go over to the next section of the agenda, and that entails that we are going to quickly do a practical session, or not practical, but okay, what's my next step? So Erika is going to tell us now, where do we start? Thanks, Erika.
Thanks, Jesse. Yeah, I'm going to be very quick because I know that everybody wants to start immediately. So it is actually very, very easy to start. So you heard about Nova. Nova is our baby that's helping us, and she's the lady that knows everything, and she's helping everybody. So you log into Nova with your credentials that you have opened your profile with. And the first item on the menu is the first steps. So follow the first steps. You will watch videos about the customer journey, videos about the merchant journey, and the merchant journey is showing you how to start making money. So if you want to make money, that's the way to go. So you go to your first step, start doing that. Then you also start joining the streaks and you earn the badges. That's the fun way of getting your business up and going, because that is pushing you and helping you to increase your business or make your business grow. And and then you go to your diary and you block out Tuesdays from 8 to 9 every week, and you are here every week, and you get as many people of the team, of the people that have joined with your link, to be here because they want to see the bigger picture. So 8 to 9, non-negotiable. That's a time slot that you put aside for yourself and your business. That's 1 hour a week that you dedicate for your business. I don't think it's too much to ask for. So then you start building your team, you start earning a passive income, and your pipeline is going to be close to completed, because there are still other streams that are also coming in, because Jesse's mind is never stopping. So take that first step. Watch the first step videos. Start making money. So now I know that you might have some questions, and I want to ask Belinda to facilitate the question and answer session for us so that we can see how many of the questions can we answer. Thanks, Belinda.
Thank you, Erika. Okay, guys, in the bottom, there's a Q&A little box. You can just click on it and then ask all your questions, and then we'll answer them as best as we can. Okay, so Marlies is asking, can we please explain to everybody what happens when you shop for groceries at stores that don't offer savings or loyalty card? Okay, so we have the loyalty cards for a reason. Those are requested by our suppliers, so that obviously you did make that purchase. So any shops that don't have a loyalty card is a reduced amount of cash back. Do I register first before I invite people? I'm not sure your name, Samsung, but Erika, do you want to answer that one?
Okay. Yes, you must have a profile to be able to get your unique link so that you can start inviting people so that they can be linked to you for life. So if you're on the call, you already have a profile, because otherwise you wouldn't have received the email with the link to this. So you already have your link. Start inviting.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so hi, I would like to understand the merchant system and the commission. Okay, so in the call, there's a lot of information, and so if we have to go into detail on every aspect of earning, it becomes information overload for a lot of people. So that's why we have the app and we have Nova to take you further. And then you'll see just now, Jesse will do a poll where you fill in the poll, and then the person that introduced you will get back to you and then help you from there. So all that will be explained afterwards. This is just an overall introduction of everything we offer, and then you can get help afterwards. But yeah, fill in the poll when Jesse does it, because that's going to help your team to get in contact with you. Okay. So Jesse, I don't know, do you want to take the next question?
Which one is that?
Okay, so Mercin is, if a merchant is on food delivery app, may I sign them up as a merchant, or they linked for life?
If a merchant's on the food delivery app, so in other words, I assume, Mercini, I assume you mean if they're on the Diginu food delivery app. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to sign them up. The merchant marketer that brought that merchant on board onto Diginu for the food deliveries will be able to get first preference on signing that merchant up as a cashback merchant as well. But they will have a certain period of time to do that. If they don't do that within a certain period, we will then notify everyone that it is now open season.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so can you please explain the joining fee that Erica mentioned earlier? Okay, so the membership fee, there's two. There's one for 99 Rand and the other one for 199 per month. There's also an annual membership fee that you can also take advantage of. So if you're looking at building a team and a pipeline through Diginu, I would recommend a yearly, because you don't need to worry about debit orders. It's really, really cool. And you can just go and build and you get your commission and your cash back. So those are the two options, is 99 Rand or 199 per month. Okay. Okay, so on the Sibisu is asking, I'd like some clarity on the upcoming merchant marketplace. When can we expect customers to be able to view the listing on participating merchants, their locations, menus, products, prices, and expected launch date and development timeline for this feature? Erica, I think if you can give a little bit of clarity on that one.
Okay, so yeah, there are a few that are already submitted all the relevant documents, which we are reviewing. They will be up and running very, very soon. We haven't determined an exact date that we're going to open it up, but it's going to be very, very soon. So what I would suggest is get as many people to sign up as merchants so that the app can be full of those people. If everybody's doing just their 5 or 10 or 15 people, there's going to be a lot of people there. So do your training, get the merchants on board, and then the sooner you get them, the sooner we can start displaying them on the app.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, we've just got enough time for one more question, so I'm just going to go to Gert's question. So he says he joined late and he wants to know if there's going to be a recording of the webinar. Jesse, do you want to answer that and then get going with the poll?
Yeah, Gert, what will happen is if you follow the Diginu profile on YouTube, you will see a little bit later tonight it will already be live on YouTube or be available on YouTube. So you can just follow the Diginu profile on YouTube and you'll be able to get the recording right there. Okay, so just, ladies and gents, I just want to give a quick clarification on the listed merchants. So the listed merchants is now the next phase we're going into, right? So currently, you can already claim cashback at any grocery store nationwide. Doesn't matter what brand, doesn't matter what town, doesn't matter what location. We are not product or brand specific. We are industry specific. So we focus on the entire industry of groceries, then also the entire industry of fuel, then also the entire industry of restaurants. So any restaurant nationwide, any grocery store nationwide, any fuel station nationwide. So basically, if you can eat it or your car can eat it, that's probably going to be applicable, except for what gummies. Wat is daai goeie dat hulle so in die dagolie dip? Daai goeie is nie. So we don't do hash brownies and those type of edibles. Anything else? Yeah, most probably we'll do that. You can also find more information by playing around on your Digino Cashback app. Now the listed merchants will work as now we're going into even more industries, and we are going to allow restaurants that want to say, listen, I want to give 10%. Please list my store there. I want my brand to be on this app because I want access to that entire database of customers that you guys have. So you'll be able to, when you list those specific stores on there, you'll be able to earn cash back on each and every slip submitted at those stores. Again, a lack of pipeline. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put up a poll. So can I see by means of a thumbs up reaction, who would like to be assisted in this journey and be taken by the hand and shown the next steps by an actual person, not a bot or something? Can I see a thumbs up reaction if you would like to be assisted? Okay, fantastic. Just see what I was. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a poll. Now our system is integrated with Zoom. That means the answers that you give for these 5 questions will be sent or will be shown to the person with whose link you joined. It'll be shown directly on their Nova dashboard. So in other words, the dashboard where they can log in to run the entire business, where you can also log into yours, they'll be able to see that, and then they will be able to reach out to you and assist you with that. So I'm going to put up this poll now, and then what you can do is you can answer these questions, and then as soon as you've answered them, these answers will pull through to the person whose link you joined with. So on your screen, you will see a poll appearing now. The first question is, how much commission would you like to earn? Is it between 0 to 5,000 Rand a month, 5 to 15,000 Rand a month, or 15,000 plus per month? Then the second one, just meer antwoord vinnig. The second question is, do you need assistance from a team leader? So in other words, do you want someone to reach out to you and assist you and take you by the hand? If you answered yes, they will reach out. If you answered no, they will not assist you, obviously, because then you don't want assistance. Then the third option is, how keen are you to get started on a scale of 1 to 10? So 0 is not that much, and 10 is, listen, I'm in. Let's get the show on the road. Then the fourth question is, do you want to join the Movers group? So the Movers WhatsApp group is a WhatsApp group where all of us are on, all of our top management individuals are on there, and then also all the leaders are on there, and you'll be able to ask questions there, and we give you support, and you get all the information first, all the updates first. You get special incentives that the rest of the team don't get. That is, we've got a lot of benefits only for people qualifying for the Movers group. So the criteria is, you have to have an active membership yourself, and you need 2 people to join with your link and then activate their membership. Then you are qualified for the Movers group. And as soon as you've done that, our system will pick it up and send you a notification directly to your Digino Cashback app with a button that you can click on that, and then you join the WhatsApp Movers group. So when would you like to be there? By Friday, within 1 to 2 weeks, or I don't want to join? And then the fifth question and the last one is, what interests you the most? Do you want to earn only cashback? Do you want to earn only member commission? Do you want to earn only merchant commission, or all of the above? You can just make a selection there. And if you've answered all 5 questions by the time I'm going to end this poll now soon, then that information will pull through, and you'll be assisted accordingly by the person with whose link you joined. So I'll give another, let's say, 5 seconds or so. Then I'm going to end the poll, and then that information can pull through. Alrighty, let's end it. Okay, thank you, ladies and gents. I see 87% of attendees voted they want all of the above. And then 68% of people voted they want to be on the Movers group by Friday. 97% of people voted they are on a scale of 1 to 10, they're on a 10. And then, do you need assistance from a team leader? 65% of people voted yes. And then 84% of people voted they want 15,000 Rand or more per month. Ladies and gents, now, if you voted yes, that you want assistance, I will advise you to, because there's some people on the call that's got like 10 or 15 or 20 or 50 people that they personally onboarded that is attending the call. So they're going to be stretched a little thin to get out, to reach out to all the people. But you can speed up the process. I'm going to give you a little hack now. When you log in to Nova, I'll give you the address now. When you log into your Nova dashboard and you simply on the first page that you log in on, scroll to the bottom, you'll see there the contact details of the person with whose link you joined. You'll be able to save their number and send them a WhatsApp. Say, listen, I was on the call, I'm ready to get going. If you do that, you speed up the process significantly because now they're going to start working through that list of people that attended, that's joined with their link. But if you jump to give you, if you're like me, don't like waiting, I was like, I want information, I want it yesterday. You can WhatsApp that person and then they can help you to get on board faster and to start building faster. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the Zoom email, the reminder email that you got at 7 p.m., you would see there's a link in there, a couple of links. The one is for a WhatsApp channel, the official DigiNew WhatsApp channel. My advice to you would be click on that link, join that WhatsApp channel, and enable your notifications in the top right-hand corner because WhatsApp channels does not automatically enable notifications. Then, the reason you want to do that, oh, by the way, in that email is also the link to join or to access Nova, so nova.diginew.com, where you can see all of these calculators and everything we just showed you. Now, here's the fun thing, ladies and gentlemen. Whom of you would like to see? I've already seen the new super app. It looks incredible. It's so beautiful. It's slick. It's fast. It's beautiful. It's really amazing. Can I see a thumbs up reaction? Who would like to see the new super app before the rest of the public sees it? Okay. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got an even better offer for you. Those of you that's been in the company for a while will know that we like to include the team in a lot of our decisions because we're building this company not for profit, but for people. We profit oriented, yes, but we're primarily people oriented. So, how would you like to give your inputs on what you want in the app? Can I see a thumbs up? Would you like to give us your inputs and ideas and say, listen, I would like this. Can you change this? Or can you add this? Or can you remove that? Whatever. Okay. So, on the DigiNew WhatsApp channel, I will send out a link after this call. I'll send out a link for you to register for a live top management meeting. I know people don't do this. Companies don't do this, but we're not average company, are we? We are going to have that meeting where we are going to decide on do this and not that, and let's change this, let's add this, let's remove that, let's swap this around, let's add this feature, let's take that one away. We are going to do that live on TikTok next week, Monday at 8 p.m. Anyone can join. So you can register for that live TikTok event. I'll send out the link now. We're going to host it from my profile, and then Marius, Erika, Belinda, we're going to all join in, and then we're going to be deciding, say, okay, listen, let's move this, let's change that, let's do this and that. And then you can watch live how the app looks, and then give us in the comment section your inputs. Say, listen, can we maybe do this, or can we change that, or can we do this, or can we add that, or remove that? So, ladies and gentlemen, my advice to you would be, make sure you joined the WhatsApp channel, and then in a couple of minutes from now, I will share that link with you. So, ladies and gents, those of you that are new, welcome on board. Welcome on this journey with us. I think you're going to have an incredible time, and I think you're going to absolutely love it. Those of you that said you want to join the Movers WhatsApp group by Friday, the requirements are as follow. You need to have an active membership yourself, and 2 people that joined with your link need to activate their membership. The moment the second person activated their membership, you'll get an automated notification on your DigiNew Cashback app in your inbox with the button to join the Movers group. So I'd like to welcome each and every one of you on that Movers WhatsApp group by Friday. Ladies and gents, welcome on board. And if you have any questions, refer back to the person with whose link you joined. You can find it when you log into Nova, and on the first page that you, after you logged in, scroll to the bottom, you'll find the details there. And yeah, let's go have fun. Enjoy the rest of your evening, ladies and gents. Bye-bye.